If you've been seriously injured in a crash with a semi-truck or commercial truck here in Ventura County, you're going to want to know, how can I find the best attorney for me? That is a legitimate question, because here is the bottom line. The attorney that you choose to represent you is one of the most important decisions that you will make about your case. The insurance companies keep track of lawyers. They know the lawyers' track records. They know who is a trial lawyer and who isn't. They know who can prepare a case and who is going to fold like a cheap deck of cards. So, how do you know? That's the real question, because you don't deal with lawyers every day. If you see the commercials or go on the websites, all of them say the same things. We're aggressive, we get millions of dollars in settlements. But what does that really tell you about the attorney? Here's what you need to know. Here's how you find the best attorney for your case. You want someone who is a skilled and experienced trial lawyer. For example, I have going on 30 years of trial experience. I am a real trial lawyer. The insurance companies know it. Number two, you want to go to an independent evaluation company to see if that lawyer is really well qualified. For example, you could go to Avvo, avvo.com. They are not a company where a lawyer can pay them and get a badge and say, I'm a great lawyer. These ratings are made based upon the skill and experience of the lawyer and by reviews from other lawyers. I happen to have a 10-point Avvo rating, which is the absolute highest. You don't want anybody who has less than a 10-point Avvo rating. But here is the most important thing. These cases are very complicated. They can take years. You need an attorney that you can work with who will spend the time to get to know you, your injuries, and how this has impacted you and your family, not only in the past, but all the way into the future. And if you don't have an attorney who is here in Ventura, who will spend the time and learn about you and your family and your case, you are never going to get the full and fair compensation that you deserve. Some firm down in LA is going to tell you, oh yeah, we come up to Ventura all the time. But do you really think that that attorney is going to give your case a priority when they got hundreds of cases down in LA and you're the only one they got up here in Ventura? No. You need someone who is here with boots on the ground that you can look at eye to eye and talk to whenever you have questions. So if you call me, here's what's going to happen. We are going to spend a lot of time. We are going to get to know you. We are going to get to know how this case has impacted you and your whole life. And we will be fully vested in your case, and we will spend the time that's necessary. If you call a bunch of lawyers and all you get to do is talk to the intake people, what does that tell you about how interested they are in your case? You call me, you talk to me. You have questions, I answer your questions. So if you want the best attorney for your case, call a few lawyers. See who will spend the time with you and figure out who you have the best personal relationship with, because that lawyer will be the best lawyer for you and your case. And I am confident once you do that, you will come to the same conclusion that I do, and that is we are the best attorneys for you here in Ventura County.